name?
My name is Kirtana.
Which class are you studying?
Study.
What is your school name?
National Press School.
Which is our country?
India.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National flower?
Lotus.
National tree?
Berry tree.
National game?
Rocket.
National river?
Gagara.
National song?
Vande Mataram.
National anthem?
Jai Bala.
King of jungle?
Tiger.
Which is the fastest animal?
Cheetah.
Which animal has longest neck?
Giraffe.
Which animal has black and white stripes on his body?
Cheetah.
Sheep of the desert?
Raven.
Which bird does not sleep at night?
Owl.
King of flower?
Loaf.
Brain of computer?
CPU.
Monitor look like?
TV.
King of food?
Mango.
Who teaches in the school?
Teacher.
Which animal hump on its back?
Camel.
Baby of dog is called?
Puppy.
Baby of cat is called?
Kitten.
India capital?
New Delhi.
Karnataka capital?
Bengaluru.
Goa capital?
Karachi.
Bihar capital?
Patna.
Father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Name the colors of national flag.
White. Green.
What is there in the middle of national flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
Favorite food of Lord Krishna?
Butter.
Gujarat capital?
Gandhinagar.
Himachal Pradesh capital?
Simla.
Biggest state?
Rajasthan.
Biggest bird?
Aslim.
Rajasthan capital?
Jaipur.
Andhra Pradesh capital?
Amaravati.
Where do birds live?
Nest.
Who wrote Chinagadamana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What is the color of parrot?
Green.
Maharashtra capital?
Mumbai.
Telangana capital?
Hyderabad.
Assam capital?
Dispur.
Smallest state?
Goa.
Smallest bird?
Amiga.
Tamil Nadu capital?
Chennai.
American currency?
Dollar.
Indian currency?
Rupees.
UK currency?
Pound.
Peru currency?
Pound.
Dubai currency?
Diesel.
And gives us?
Yes.
Cow gives us?
Milk.
Sheep gives us?
Wood.
Honeybee gives us?
Honey.
Who brings us letters?
Postman.
Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Fish lives in?
Water.
Monkey lives?
Sea.
Lion lives in?
Dead.
Dog lives in?
Canal.
Very good, Kirtana. Name the directions.
East. West. North. South.
Which bird cannot fly?
Ostrich.
Longest continent?
Asia.
Which is the festival of light?
Deepavali.
Who is the current Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Name any 5 farm animals.
Dog. Cat. Ears. Goat. Cow.
Name any 5 wild animals.
Bear. Tiger. Cheetah. Giraffe. Elephant.
Name any 5 flowers.
Rose. Lotus. Jasmine. Sarsaparilla. Marigold.
Cow lives in?
Set.
Horse lives in?
Stable.
Hen lives in?
Cook.
Carrot is good for our?
Eye.
Baby of hen is called?
Tip.
How many traffic lights are there in traffic signal?
Green light.
Name them.
Red. Yellow. Green.
Red indicates?
Stop.
Yellow indicates?
White.
Green indicates?
Go.
Largest animal?
Asia.
Biggest fish?
Water.
Biggest fish? Shark.
Sun.
Shape of a samosa?